Yo, it's your boy Wonton25. Today I'm gonna show you how to make Kool-Aid the wrong way. So what you need are 2 grape soda Kool-Aid things, cause that's what us white people like. Get yourself some hot tap water going on. Remember, tap water, not spigot water. Then get yourself your Alabama Rocket Center mug. You gotta get your grape soda Kool-Aids, alright? Tear that sucker open. Gotta. Get that sucker out. Alright, once you get that sucker out, pick it up off the kitchen counter, throw it in there, alright? Same with the other. Now for step 2, you got your things in there. Gotta get it halfway full of hot water. Hot tap water, not spigot water. Alright, and then you get the cold water on. Alright. Then you go get the whisk. Not the egg beater, but the whisk. This ain't an egg beater, this is a whisk. Now we get the cold water on. Now for the most important part, the whisk. Gotta get that whisk. Throw that in the wash. And y'all come over here. I'll get yourself some nice ice cubes. You just throw them in. You just throw them in. Then you just gently plop them in. Throw that one in. Alright, and then you take these and you just throw them in. Throw them in. Throw these in. Throw this in. Throw this one in. This one didn't get thrown in properly. This one can't be in here. This one should be in there. That's right. Then you just gotta drink a Kool-Aid. That's some good Kool-Aid.